Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at one of the Polynesian Villas Deluxe Studios. This is a Disney Vacation Club room, but it can be booked regularly on their site as well. We start off with a nice long hallway. To the left here is one of the two of the split bathrooms. This one has the bathtub and the toilet, and some nice little art. Down a little further is the second of the two bathrooms. This one has the shower and another vanity, a little bit larger than the other one. The shower does have that nice rainfall head there as well. And over here we have the small kitchenette. You have a fridge, coffee, microwave, all of the coffee essentials, and a toaster. And this way we have the fifth sleeper, which is very nice and kid approved. Down here we have just the regular bed, sleeps two people, nice wall art all around. You have your own outdoor access. This is first floor, so it has its own little patio space. And then we now have a Murphy bed that folds down. Nice and convenient, definitely a space saver. And of course, extra storage, because those of us traveling with kids know you cannot have too much storage. And there you have it. If you guys thought this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well, @Medics with Mouse Ears.